Finally guys, I'm ready to get out for buying some fruits, and then I'll show you the fruits place. And the fruits like grapes, watermelon is very cheap in this Bangalore than the northeast. So I'm going to buy some watermelon and some grapes and others also. If there is available, I'll buy and I'll show you the fruits, the delicious fruits. You will get fresh fruits in this Bangalore, and the price also very cheap. So let's see. Finally we are buying watermelon, and then see lots of watermelon. How much the kg?
30.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So finally I'm buying some breads, some fruits. And you see, this is package with 3 rupees. Very cheap than our place. And the black one is 140. So I'm buying half kg of black, and normal one is 1 kg full. So finally I'm going to wash the fruits properly. So I'm telling you guys also, if you have fruits or something from the market or some other place, you should wash first properly, then you eat, because there is so many dust, so many bacteria also there. So if you wash, it will be better for health. See? See? This looks so delicious and totally fresh fruits I bought from market. This is very cheap, per kg only 80 rupees. So it's very cheap in this Bangalore than the northeast. Hi guys, once again we're gonna show you the fruits, lots of fruits. We're gonna eat. Let's enjoy once again. You can see this lots of fruits. There's 3 combination: watermelon, big pieces we have, black grapes, and see, this is the fresh fruits of grapes. See here also.
There are lots of grapes. There's the watermelon, the black grapes, and the green grapes. And we're gonna dine this healthy food right now. Yeah. So let's start with watermelon.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. The grapes are falling apart. Cheers.
Cheers.
Watermelon.
It looks so reddish and so delicious.
Look at it.
Big pieces we have. Let's try and
try it out.
see the best. Really, it's amazing. So sweet and so fantastic for afternoon time, because the taste is so sweet, cool, and if you eat these fresh fruits, you will feel like amazing.
It's really sweet and nice and refreshing in your mouth.
Really, it's amazing. The taste is amazing.
It's a good watermelon.
You know, watermelon has lots of water inside the watermelon. So if we eat like 2 or 3 pieces, it will become like stomach like water. Done. Now let's try. Now let's taste the grapes, green grapes. See? Oh my god!
Big grapes.
See?
Green grapes.
Oh, lots of grapes. Oh my god, the looks also
Amazing.
so nice, no? Amazing. See, I break it into two parts. So even the grapes looks so fresh. See, so fresh, neat and clean.
Grapes.
Looks also. See, now let's try.
So let's go for a try.
Let's try it like this, no?
Yeah. Let's try it like this.
Mm. Oh my god.
That's a lot of grapes.
Ah.
That's sweet and nice. Nice grapes. Just take it out like that. It's a refreshing grapes.
See? So fresh, neat and clean, and taste also so fantastic. You just comment. You just comment, ask if you get that kind of fresh fruits, what will you do? And if you want to eat, you just comment.
You just pluck it out with 3 pieces here. Two grapes. What's up? Let's share it half.
We have lots here.
We have a plenty more. We're doing fruit mukbang right now. With all this watermelons and grapes. And the delicious, healthy grapes and fruits right here. Wow.
These fruits are good for the health also.
It's a lot of grapes. You can eat like that.
And the best timing is afternoon. If you want to eat lots of fruits, you can eat afternoon.
Grapes.
Now let's try some black grapes. See? This looks like jamun. You know jamun? If you know, you just comment. And if you don't know also, you can comment.
It's like it looks like a bullet. Look at it. Like a metal bullet.
See? This is good for your blood. If you eat this lot, your blood will increase and the color also become dark.
How long it is? This like, and it is very sweet. It's long.
Let's try this.
Long.
Some like this along with prawns. See? It looks so blacky and so delicious. And I'm feeling very good because of fruits. Because we know fruit makes us healthy.
It's very cool. Look at it. Don't you dream of fruits growing in your backyard and you just pluck it and you just eat it like that, like this? Enjoying the moment of our delicious foods right here. So healthy too. Let's go for second round. Watermelon.
Second now. See, big pieces.
Sweet, juicy, and good.
Really fantastic. You get in Bangalore, very cheap. But I don't know other parts of India, but in Bangalore you will get per kg 30 rupees. So if you want medium or fruit, you will get around 150. It will become around 4 kg.
Let's get the grapes. Let's do a combination of both.
Oh my God.
Let's take some few grapes and black grapes.
I'm gonna eat 3 combination in one time.
So you gotta put all the grapes in the mouth first. And take some watermelon.
See, same I'm going to do like this.
That's a good combination.
Oh my God. My body. A lot of food, man.
Again. We got last piece left here now. Last piece. Gonna share this together, and then we're gonna finish it. Last piece of rose. Let's catch it. Let's get some. Get some. Get some. Get more some. You can
See?
take it out like that. Then stuff in the mouth. Take 2 more. Fantastic.
Almost finished.
Gotta finish the last piece.
So I'm going to finish my fruits with watermelon. I kept for the last moment.
Last grapes. Have it here. Gotta finish it. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. How you finish it. Not giving anything to waste. You see this empty plates? See the empty plates?
Finally we done everything. All the fruits. So amazing. Thank you for watching and keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep follow us.
We love you. We love to see you in the next video too.
Yeah.
So stay tuned to watch more videos coming up here, and tell us to do any one of your favorite dishes or foods that you want us to do in the comments below, so that we can try, check it out.
Don't forget to share with friends and subscribe.
See
See
you.
you on next video.
Yeah.